We proudly present the newest workpiece carrier system by ZELL Group. Simplified design, lighter, and more price competitive. Ideally used for cleaning and storing complex parts and workpieces. The polymer carrier is reinforced with a welded stainless steel frame. Customers can select with or without. Spacers are also made from polymer and allow any height increments due to standardized sizes. The carrier has two ergonomic handles for convenient handling and stacking of components. Plastic components ensure weight reductions of 30%. Assembly of the carrier is easy as well due to the simplified design. It increases stability and overall quality. A labeling section allows customization of the carrier. Customers can apply any description with laser marking. 36 different cavities are available through our multi-clips, which create 30% more space. At the same time, we increase the stability of the components and reduce the assembly effort. The best part of the product is its significantly reduced sales price of up to 40%. Thus, we can provide price-sensitive customers with a desirable solution. Our new baskets are made of plastic and stainless steel and are a perfect match for our standardized carriers. We created this innovative product to complement our modular carrier system. Two welded stainless steel frames ensure stability and determine the surface area of the standardized carriers and baskets. Corner plates are added onto the welded steel frames with screws. Two more side plates can be added for more stability and carrier flexibility. ZELL Group's labeling elements allow you to personalize your baskets. A laser marker can engrave your personalized information. If any part gets damaged during operations, any component can be ordered quickly and easily replaced. Please contact our local sales representative. All plastic components are available in electrostatic discharge approved material on request. All components of the workpiece carrier system are perfectly matched to each other to guarantee safe transportation and effective cleaning. Our new baskets are perfectly suited for all applications in production, logistics, and parts cleaning. Should your operations require changes in sizes, you only need to exchange the stainless steel frames. Any other component can be reused. That keeps your costs significantly down. Our standardized sizes of baskets range from 200mm to 300mm. All assemblies can be easily disassembled and separated into plastic and steel parts for recycling purposes. ZELL defines a new standard in the workpiece carrier system industry in the matter of sustainability.